Okay, Eagles, we're gonna pull this turkey out of the oven. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. So you know we've got this beautiful Grace barbecue sauce. I'm gonna open this up, show you what it looks like. Nice thick sauce, perfect for basting while you're cooking. Smoky, sweet, authentically Jamaican. So we just get our sauce on there, spread it out nice and thick. And now we're gonna get this turkey back into the oven for another couple hours, and then we're gonna be plating up some beautiful. All right, Philly, our turkey is ready. Pull this bad boy out. Oh my goodness. All right, everybody, we got the turkey out of the oven. So I'm gonna cut this breast open right now so you guys can see how nice, tender, and juicy this turkey actually turns out. Nice, beautiful. Guys, I get a taste of this. Seasoned all the way through. Turkey sliced up on our plate. We got some mashed potatoes. We got some stuffing, some sliced tomatoes. We're gonna put some of this beautiful cranberry relish on our turkey. A little bit of relish. Absolutely delicious. Mwah. Bold, flavorful, soulful, full of spices.